Imagine if you could make money your bitch and make it work for you, instead of constantly trading your time for it. Yeah, what if you could set up a system that generates money for you 24/7 without having to clock in or work overtime? In this video, we're breaking down 5 legit ways to start earning passive income online. We'll rank each method on how passive it really is, how much money you need to start, and how quickly you can start seeing results. And trust me, you want to stick around to the end, because one of these strategies could be the opportunity to start making money online. First up, we've got selling digital products. Now, these have really exploded over the last year and they are still on the rise. And that's because it's one of the smartest ways to create a product and get paid over and over again without having to do with any shipping, inventory, or any other headaches. Now, for those of you that don't know, digital products are things like eBooks, online courses, templates. They could be stock photos or even digital art prints. These things are all downloadable items and they're easily accessible. The best part about it, the customers don't have to wait for shipping time. They can just start using the product straight away. Hold up. Give them a proper example so they know what you're on about. Don't be so basic. Oh, relax. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. You can create a custom workout plan or a nutrition guide. Jump on your laptop and pick a niche, like say weight loss or meal prep for busy people, and then research what's actually trending on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. You can plan your guide with sections. What sections? Be more specific. Shut up, I was getting to it. Start with an intro and then add in some workout plans and some nutrition tips. And use software tools like Canva to make it look appealing and professional. Don't be lazy. Once it's ready on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, promote it on social media and there you go. Now, since you want to throw me under the bus, why don't you give us an example? See, he's got no idea. Yes, I've got one and it's way better than yours. eBooks. Now, if you're watching this, I know what you're thinking. How am I supposed to write ebooks? I'm not a writer. Well, it's easier than what you think, and it's one of the best ways to generate passive income online. You could write about a topic that you're passionate about, or just like share your expertise on something that people are already searching for. Think about it. People buy ebooks on everything from self-help tips to how to cook the perfect lasagna. The best thing about ebooks is that you don't have to worry about printing or shipping. Once it's created, it's just a digital product selling on autopilot. So if I'm a beginner, what's the easiest way to get started with an ebook? Well, first, decide on your niche and then just figure out what people need help with. It could be fitness, budgeting, productivity, or even just starting an online business. Once you've picked a topic, start outlining what you want to cover in your ebook. Use AI platforms like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to help you write your ebook. You can even hire freelancers off Fiverr who have experience in writing ebooks themselves. Okay, I think I get it, but how do I design the ebook so that it looks professional and actually makes people want to buy it? There are plenty of tools like Canva that you can actually use to make your design look amazing. They already have some pre-made templates that you can use, or you can just create it from scratch. To get some of the best pre-made templates, it's best to upgrade to Canva Pro to unlock all the creative options they have. Once you get to selling your ebook, Amazon KDP is one of the most popular platforms to list that type of digital product. And for how fast you can actually start making money, we'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. Once you create and set up your digital products, they can generate passive income, but you'll still need to market them, and then occasionally you need to update them based on customer feedback. For capital required, it's only about a 3 out of 10. You barely need any money up front, only if you want to pay people to design your products or create them for you. And for the speed to start earning, we'd give it a 8 out of 10. The key to start earning money fast is with a good marketing strategy, and it's even better if you're selling products that are trending. Next up is YouTube automation channels. In 2024, this took off, and we know that people are making tons of money with it. Now, we personally haven't gotten into this because we're focusing on our other strategy, but it's definitely something that we've looked into and we've researched. YouTube automation channels are faceless YouTube channels that are run like a business, where the content creation is outsourced to a team or even just freelancers. Instead of the channel owner creating and appearing in videos, they automate the process by hiring people for script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and even just thumbnail design. Think about it. AI tools like DeepSeek or ChatGPT can generate scripts for you in seconds. Softwares like 11 Labs create high-quality AI voiceovers that sound insanely realistic. For video editing, we found Veed to be the easiest to use for beginners. When it comes to designing thumbnails that get clicks, Canva lets you design literally anything you can think of. This means that all you have to do is simply manage the process and pick a niche that people love watching. The goal with YouTube automation is to make money passively by monetizing videos through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and even like sponsorships. But let's get real. What kind of videos work best? Well, you've probably seen top 10 channels like Watch Mojo. They've got over 25 million subscribers, and according to Social Blade, they're pulling anywhere between 18 to 290k per month. Or how about these podcast clip channels, like the Full Send podcast clips? These guys are here just literally replay clips from podcasts. Other YouTube automation channels also include motivational content like Peaks Motivation, for example, and you've also got gaming videos like this channel. Now, you get the gist. So basically, to summarize the process, pick a niche that you actually actually enjoy it. Don't overthink it. Start with AI tools to make the content creation way easier. As your channel starts to grow, you can reinvest in hiring people to scale it up. And once you start getting the hang of it, creating and uploading videos can become second nature. If you stick with it, this can be a passive income machine that works 24/7. We've actually got a step-by-step video explaining exactly how to get started with YouTube automation. Feel free to go check it out. For how passive it is, we'd probably rate it about an 8 out of 10. Once your videos are created and uploaded, they can keep earning views and ad revenue long after. But you'll need to manage the channel and occasionally update content to keep it relevant. For capital required, it's a 4 out of 10. You won't need huge upfront investment, but you might want to hire freelancers for video editing, or you may want to use some AI tools to streamline your content creation. And for how fast you can start earning, we'd give it about a 5 out of 10. It takes time to grow a channel and start gaining significant ad revenue, but once you do it, it's a reliable source of passive income. All right, next up, we've got affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to make passive income without actually creating your own product. Instead of selling something you made, you promote someone else's product and get a commission for every sale. And let's be real, big brands want people like us to do some marketing for them and generate more revenue. That's why they'll pay you every time someone buys through a special link. You don't need the inventory, customer service, or any of that. You just focus on getting people interested in a product and getting them to click. That's your only focus. Yeah, all right, but like, give them a proper example. Let's say tech gadgets. You could make TikToks or YouTube short videos reviewing trending products like, say, wireless earbuds or chargers. If someone watches your video and thinks, wow, I need this, they'll click on the affiliate link in your description, buy it, and boom, you just made money. Yeah, the best part is you can do this without even owning a product. Just use stock footage videos, images of the actual product that you find online, or even just AI generated content. That's how some people are pulling in over 5 figures a month just by reviewing products they've never touched. There are so many huge affiliate programs to choose from that's out there, like ClickBank, Digistore24, and Impact.com, where you can promote physical products like health supplements and even just DIY home products. They even have a wide range of digital products like online courses, softwares, and even AI tools. And let's not forget high ticket affiliate marketing. This is when you promote expensive stuff like online courses about making money online that cost over $1,000, or even just software subscriptions for things like website builders and graphic design tools. Even if just a few people buy, the commissions are huge. Exactly. So whether it's tech gadgets, software, fitness programs, or digital courses, there's an affiliate program for everything. Just pick a niche you like, create content around it, drop your links in the description, and watch those commissions roll in. For how passive it is, we're probably going to give it a 7 out of 10. Once your content is created and your affiliate links are live, they do the work for you. All you'll need to do is analyze the data and make adjustments to your content that are necessary. For the capital required, it's about a 3 out of 10. You don't need that much money to get started, if that at all. And for how fast you can actually start making money with it, we'll probably give it a 4 out of 10. The speed of how fast you can make money with this depends on usually how engaged your audience is and the quality of your content. Usually this system takes a bit of time and consistency to build up. All right, so far we've covered some of the most profitable ways that people are making passive income online, but instead of trading your time for money, wouldn't it be better to let your money work for you? That's where investing in stocks comes in. 100%. The most successful people in the world are the ones that make money work for them instead of trading for their time for it. And one of the best ways to do this is investing in dividend stocks. So what does that actually mean? Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a percentage of their profits simply for owning their stock. Think of it like getting paid to own a piece of a successful business. Some of the most well-known companies are like Coca-Cola or Apple, who regularly pay out dividends. And as they grow, so does your passive income. All right, so let's break it down with something simple and manageable. How about let's start in with, say, $50 to $100 a week. It's not a huge amount, but when you're investing in companies with a high annual average return, that small amount can start to grow at a solid rate. Exactly. So let's take a company like Apple, for example. Over the past decade, Apple has averaged an annual return of about 24%. Now, let's say you start with about $50 a week. If you were to invest that $50 a week for 10 years at an average annual return of 24%, you'd end up with around $90,000. And that's just from consistently putting only $50 in a week. It's pretty crazy, right? And that's with no extra effort from you. Apple stock just does all the heavy lifting. And imagine if you upped it to $100 a week. That's $400 a month. Over 10 years at the same 24% return, your investment could grow to $180,000. Just think about that. You start with $100 a week, and over the course of a decade, you have almost $200,000 sitting there for you. Now, you're going to need a platform to invest with. It's so important to choose something that is simple to understand and use, but that you also know is legitimate. One of the most common ones that's going around is called eToro. eToro is super beginner friendly, and there are over 35 million users worldwide, so you know that you can trust that one. They even offer copy trading, where you can follow what experienced investors are doing.
investing. You can literally copy experienced investors' portfolios and paste them straight into yours so that you can see what is working and start investing. Feel free to check it out for yourself. We'll leave a link in the description.
For how passive it is, we'll rate it a 10 out of 10. 100% with investing in stocks, if you just stay consistent and just put the money in there, it's going to be passive for life.
When it comes to capital required, we'd probably say a 6 out of 10. It really just depends on how much you're willing to invest.
And for how fast you can start making money with it, we'd rate it about a 2 out of 10. Stocks are a long-term growth strategy. While you might not see any short-term gains, the real key is patience here, to see the compounding interest over time.
Please note, this is not financial advice. We're just sharing information on how you could get started.
Investing in stocks is always a great investment for the long term, but just like everyone, we all want to make money as fast as possible. And what better way to do it without having to constantly work for it?
If you're on the same page as us, then print on demand could be your next strategy to start making passive income online. Print on demand isn't like any normal business. You don't have to deal with stocking any inventory or the shipping headaches. All you focus on is generating creative ideas and selling products that people are actually going to buy.
But the best part, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. With print on demand, you can upload your designs to platforms like Printify or Printful, and they handle the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. You only pay for a product after someone buys it, so there's zero upfront cost. But let's be real, just slapping any design on a t-shirt, it's not going to get you rich. The key is to find trends and creative designs that people actually want. Think of viral memes, for example. They have a big spike in interest, and after a period of time, they drop off. The goal is to jump on it before it tops off, and that is where you can take advantage of the opportunity for profit. If you get this right, one good design can bring in passive income for months and sometimes even years.
Another huge opportunity is targeting specific niche audiences. So instead of creating generic designs, create relatable designs for people that are, say, super passionate about their interests or their identity. It could be for people that love, I don't know, say gaming, for example, or people who are obsessed with pets. A simple gaming themed t-shirt is okay, but a shirt that says just one more game, ... 3 hours later is funny and something that most gamers can relate with.
If you have a passion for a particular niche and it's something that you can relate to personally, it's a good way to take advantage of the print on demand strategy, because you can make more personable designs and start making more passive income.
Now, for how passive print on demand is, we'd give it a solid 7 out of 10. Once you've set up your designs and listings, it's pretty much on autopilot.
But remember, you still need to put in the time to make some eye-catching creative designs and market them effectively. As for how much capital you need, we'd only say it's about a 3 out of 10. It's super low cost to get started. Most of your upfront investment will only go to design tools or outsourcing designs.
And when it comes to how fast you can actually start making money, we'd probably give it a 6 out of 10.
If you can tap into a trending niche or creative design quickly, you might be able to see sales within days. But for most people, it could take a few weeks of trial and error to hit the sweet spot. Still, it's one of the quickest and easiest ways to start making passive income online. Alright guys, that wraps up 5 different ways to start making passive income online. In future videos, we're going to go into a deeper understanding of what these actual methods are and the actionable steps that you can put in to start making money with these strategies.
We hope you got a good basic understanding of what these methods are actually about. Leave a comment down below of what method that you think would be the best way to start making passive income online.
If you want to keep learning about all the different ways to start making money online, smash the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.